What's happening there, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you for your patience. I know it's been a while since I've posted anything online. Trust me, I've been extremely busy with work. I've been extremely busy doing family stuff, and I've been extremely busy not being able to leave the house. It's been hard. It's been so hard during this fucking lockdown, and I didn't think it'd go on this long, but it has. Unfortunately, we've got to adjust and we've got to do what we've got to do. So I hope you're all staying safe. I hope you're doing what you need to do, and I hope you're ready for another exciting year of doing nothing. This year's looking promising. It's looking promising. To be fair, last year I managed to get about four or five shows in. Even under lockdown, and I know a lot of the venues were trying the hardest to get open, but this year's looking a bit more promising, obviously with the vaccines coming out and the rules being followed. People need to start following the rules. I'm not going to start sitting here dictating as to who needs to do what, but I'm following the rules. I'm making sure I'm social distancing. I'm making sure that I'm only going out for essential travel. I work a lot. I work a hell of a lot, and especially during this lockdown, I'm working a whole lot more. So yeah, I just wanted to do you a quick update video as to what I'm doing, what I have been doing, and what we will be doing. So that's what I've been doing. I've also been doing my drone A2CFC course, and that was really fun to get done under lockdown. Obviously couldn't go out anywhere, can't do anything, but I've been doing that. So there's my drone up on my shelf there, so I'm now fully certified to fly that. So that's going to be really fun, getting some good shots with the drone when we finally do get to some shows. So I'm really excited about that. Also on another note, that my nephew's Fiesta that we had the Hornet exhaust on, that had a major electrical fault, so he's threw the towel in with it. He's sent it to the old scrapyard, stripped off what he could, sold it. So now he's bought himself a beautiful Mark 1 Focus, which I'm really happy about, because you know how much I love the fucking Mark 1 Focus. Beautiful car, beautiful. It's still a beautiful car. I know they're old. I know you get the Mark 2 and the Mark 3, and now the Mark 4s came out, but I still love the Mark 1. Still absolutely love it. All subjective, absolutely. People might hate it, but I absolutely love it. So yeah, next week I'm getting out, and I need to do some work on that. So I'll show you that. The Focus is still sat there feeling sorry for itself. I need to get out. I need to get that sorted. And the Mondeo is still an absolute beast to drive, and it's still my workhorse, and that's still going strong. So that's what's been going on. Going forward, I've booked on 4 Litchfield cars in the park. Hopefully we'll get a couple more shows in this year with the way the lockdown's going, with things starting to slowly go down. I've booked some later shows, I've booked some later in the year shows, and hopefully we can get out like we did last year. The venues were quality last year, absolutely brilliant to be able to get out and do something last year. So hopefully this year will be the same. We'll be able to get out to at least 4 or 5 different shows. So yeah, I'd like to thank you for coming. I'd like to thank you for staying. I'd like to thank you for your support. Your messages have been fantastic. I know I've not posted in a while, but yeah, I couldn't do it without you guys. All my audience, all interested or disinterested in anything I do, whether it's appealing to you or not. As long as someone sees some enjoyment out of one of my videos, I've done myself justice, and as long as I enjoy myself doing them, I'll make sure I keep doing them for you guys. But this year I'd like to ask what you'd like to see on the channel, what you'd like to see out of the Focus or the Mondeo, what you'd like to see out of me. Give me some comments, give me some feedback, give me some love. Everyone needs a bit of love, and thank you. Just thank you for supporting me through this mental year. Thank you for supporting me through this mental lockdown, and hope you stay safe. I hope you come back. I hope you subscribe, and I'll hopefully be posting some content next week just to keep your whistle wet. And yeah, thank you all. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. It's down there somewhere. Leave me a comment, say hello. Go back, see some of my old videos. I've got plenty of videos from shows from 2 years ago. I've got a couple from last year. Fill your boots. Leave me some feedback. I do enjoy seeing some feedback. So yeah, until next week when I actually get out and do something. Be safe. Be social. Give me a message. Drop me a message. And look after yourselves, and hopefully I will see you later this year at some shows, and we can persevere. And yeah, miss you all. Hope you stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.